Hey everyone, welcome back again to another Carbro Show. So there we've got the diffuser that arrived, that as from previous videos you know it came missing from the dealer. It has finally arrived, so we just unbox it. As you see, it comes like that. You'd think it's metal, but it's actually plastic. $600 piece of plastic. And to install it is pretty simple. You just put it in there, and then you just got to make sure it clips into place. And if you have a look here, it is, just make sure the lines are nice in because it clips in the back there. As you can see, it's sitting all the way around. It is in there. So there we go. That's how easy it is to install a rear diffuser. Car's looking good. The diffuser is now fitted. Looks much better than before the other diffuser. Going to give the car a good wash and polish now. Please remember to like and subscribe and click the bell button. Thanks for watching.